In this video, I want to talk about this Ring pan tilt camera. This is an indoor camera. You're not going to want to use this outside. I have a bunch of Ring products already. I have a doorbell, I have a floodlight. So now I'm going to be adding this to my other cameras. That way I can have all of my cameras all in one place on the app. And this one looks pretty cool. So let's take a look at it. It can move this way and this way. I'm not going to do it right now. I'll show you when we set it all up. One nice feature that they have on this is this little thing right here. If you wanted some privacy, you can lock this and you know that nobody's going to be watching what's going on. I like that feature a lot. And on the back, you have where the power goes in. It comes with a 10-foot cord. So USB-C right here, and then a USB, but it also comes with an adapter right here to go into a normal outlet or receptacle. Then you have all of this mounting hardware for however you choose to mount it. You can, and this has got some weight to it, so if you just set it up on a table or a shelf, that would be fine. But on the bottom here, you have this bracket that will lock into it. So if you really didn't want it to go anywhere, you put 2 screws in here, and then you lock this in like this, and you're good to go. And it also has this bracket, which is nice. So if you don't have a shelf and you wanted to basically set it up like it was going to be on a shelf, you would again mount this to the wall and then clip it in here, and then clip the camera into here, just like that. So it's nice that it has multiple options, and it has 3 screws here with anchors in case you just go into drywall or even concrete. It also has this little clip right here that you can use to run this wire. It'll just hold it in place. You also have the instructions and a sticker to let people know that you have a camera, which is always nice. So I'm gonna go set this up where I want it to be. And as far as connecting it to the Ring app, if you don't have the Ring app already, you can download it, but if you already have it, all you gotta do is scan the QR code on the back, and they make it super, super simple to add a camera, and you'll be able to control it right from your phone, which is nice. So I'm gonna go set this up and show you a little more about it. So I'm putting mine right on my mantle here in my living room. And when you plug this in, don't worry, it's going to do some weird things, but that is totally normal. You just let it do its thing. And then scan that QR code and take off this protective wrap here. So when you scan it, it's going to show your location. That's why I'm not showing you. And then give your indoor cam a name. I'm going to say upstairs. Open the privacy cover, which is already open. Click here. Where will this indoor cam be pointed? Into the house through the window. Find a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Done. Plug in your cam and wait 30 seconds for it to turn on. Done. Grab your Wi-Fi password.
Now connected to the Ring app.
And just like that, it's connected.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment. Setup successful.
Now, you can mount this so it doesn't go anywhere. I'm not going to be too worried about it. Right here it says choose a home position so that it will automatically orient to that. So I'm going to leave it just like that and choose home position. And it's going to update firmware. So I'll just show you how it works once this is all set. So now you choose your home position. You just click these arrows and it moves the camera. If I wanted it closer to the door, or if I want it down, watch the kids playing, or for whatever reason, if I wanted to watch the ceiling, I could. We're going to put the home position right about here. Then I'm going to save that. Very good. You can customize your motion zones, which means basically if there is a section where there's a lot of motion that you don't want this to send you an alert, then you can make sure that that is not selected for motion. Or you could just turn motion completely off if you wanted and you won't get any alerts. That's up to you. So now we're on my dashboard here, the Ring app. I have my floodlight right here in the driveway, have my front door, and now we have this one upstairs. And then tap to go live, turn the volume down so it doesn't squeal. And there you go. And then you can full screen this and click right here and move the camera around. And so when you put that privacy cover over the camera, it doesn't just cover up the lens, it also deactivates the camera, so no video, no audio, nobody can see or hear what's going on, so it is true privacy, which is nice. And you could go through the whole gambit of settings here with everything you want to do. You can talk through the camera if you're on the app. Say your wife is at work and she wants to mess with you. She can get on the app and she can talk to you through there, or even activate the siren. So this camera can do a lot more than the one that I had here before. The one that I had before was just stationary and you just looked through it and that was it. This way, I have all my cameras interconnected. This can do a lot more: pan, tilt, record, all that stuff, and I think it'll be a nice addition to my Ring camera collection. So if you were thinking about getting one of these cameras, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.